This exercise is called high kiss, and it works primarily with the mouth muscle, the lips, the lower facial area, and the neck. It's especially useful if you notice that the lower part of your face is tense or is being pulled down more over time. Many changes in the face don't just start at the jawline, but already in the middle of the face, and continue down into the neck. This is exactly where this exercise comes in. We start in an upright position. The neck is long, shoulders relaxed. Gently push your lips forward as if you were giving a high, conscious kiss. This movement alone takes the lips out of an often unconscious inward tension and brings them outward again. Now, loosely place your thumb and index finger around your lips, like a soft O. The fingers only limit the movement, they don't press. You can now clearly feel the mouth muscle working. Now bring your tongue to the roof of your mouth so that you feel an activity under your chin. The other hand rests on the collarbone and applies gentle pressure downwards while you slowly guide your face upwards, led by your lips and chin. You now feel a stretch in your neck, especially in the area of the platysma muscle. The forehead remains soft, the gaze relaxed, the work is happening down below. Then slowly release. Several things happen at the same time with this exercise. The mouth muscle is consciously used and strengthened. This can help the lips to appear more present, fuller, and have better circulation instead of remaining pulled inwards. At the same time, the platysma muscle in the neck is stretched. This muscle plays a major role in the downward pull in the face. If there is constant tension here, it can affect the entire lower facial area, leading to issues like a tired-looking neck or a so-called turkey neck. By reducing this pull, more balance is created in the face, not in isolation, but in interaction with other exercises. Let's go for round 2. Lips forward again. Fingers loosely around the mouth. Tongue to the palate. Hand on the collarbone. Slowly lift your face. In the highest position, gently pulse your tongue against the palate, as if you were making small swallowing movements, about 8 to 10 gentle pulses. This movement also activates the deeper structures under the chin and supports the length in the neck. Keep breathing calmly. Then slowly release. Around the mouth, fine lines often appear when the mouth muscle is permanently tense or pulled inwards. By consciously working with the mouth muscle, tension can be released from this area, and at the same time, volume can be built up from the inside. Many people experience that fine lines around the mouth relax and appear softer over time because the muscle underneath provides better support again. Last round. Find your own rhythm. Lips forward, fingers loose. Tongue to the palate, hand on the collarbone. Lift your face and hold the position for a moment. Feel the work in the mouth muscle, the length in the neck, the calmer pull in the lower face. If it feels good, gently pulse your tongue again. Then slowly release. This exercise is a building block to reduce the downward pull in the face and build more stability from below. In combination with cheek exercises, it can help the face appear freer, more upright, and less pulled down overall. For new exercises and workouts every week, subscribe to my channel. I would also appreciate a like and a comment if you enjoyed the video or have any questions.